we're gonna pull over and fucking waving rubber fist out of the window.
How do you explain that one to the police officers?
Sorry, officer, I was a little bit drunk and I was waving my rubber fist at you.
How do you explain waving your rubber fist?
Well, here we go, let's get those wheels out on the road. It may get dusty, but that's the way she goes. We'll build some greasy old cars and drink our AGD. Hey, don't you know, it's Parkville.
Alright, well, it's 6:45 Monday morning. Miles of Mayhem officially starts today. As you can see, a few more vehicles in the parking lot. Everybody else still has to show up. Spent a lot of the day yesterday just fooling around, helping guys out with little things. So now, look at these beautiful slicks I have here. These are actually Josh's slicks. I'm gonna lower the pressure in them for him. I'm gonna finish packing up camp. I've got my tire lettering marker. I got to touch up the letters on Spaceballs of the tires. And then I think I'm gonna charge up some batteries and cook up some breakfast, and we'll get started with this shindig. The trailer is still in okay shape. It totally hasn't been destroyed yet, so yeah, we'll keep you updated. So we got one tire touched up. It's not the greatest job, but from a distance it looks good. Now I just got to do the other one because, as you can see, it's wrinkling and peeling. So I'll just go around with my little marker and touch it up. I like it. Just helping everyone out again. Making another sacrifice, Stephen?
Yeah, making some more scrap steel.
Slight fire. Alright, so we've been over thrashing on the 55. Got a bunch of wiring done. Took care of little leaks and whatnot. They're just about to line up. They're both in the same class. Actually, Peg's in the same class as us too. We're all in man pedal. So we'll take you over to the staging lanes. I got to check tire pressures on a couple vehicles when we get there, and we'll be good.
Sneak in there, 867 with a 5. Mark in the...
Nice person to ask about. Nice 860.
Alright, small tire in 2 and 3. Outlaw 1 and 4.
It should be good. All the problems are worked out. There'll be no issues going forward.
That's great.
Oh, he'll be happy with that.
Look at that. Tow truck's doing its job over there.
Oh my god.
79 Ford. Brad Stevens out of Melford, Saskatchewan, 69 Dart Swinger.
Track. Oh, look at that tarp flapping.
There's something flapping.
Okay, day one racing, we're done. Pulled a 867, which is pretty good, fastest truck's ever gone. That fucking redneck, that hillbilly in the old cum dumpster, fucker ran an 880 in this thing, first time racing. So That bitch has probably got like an 8 flat in her at least.
So we're gonna meet up with all the guys and we're gonna road out together.
Look at this fucking cripple mobile. Just a skookum rig.
After fixing the 55 cooling system twice in 2 miles, we're finally on Highway 41. I think Steven's already fucking liquored our, so
I've only had a couple beer. It ain't that bad.
turning around, 55 wasn't started, and then they passed us, so we're just playing catch up now.
Okay, so here we are on our way to Saskatoon. Little DD speech up over here. Had a weird fucking vibration. The bitch wouldn't want to go into gear very well. And we found out, when you look at her, you got like a fucking 1/8 inch, you can't see shit because of no light, but there's about an 1/8 inch gap between that transmission bell housing. So I guess that's another spot where we have to do some bolt checks. Yeah, fucked. Also, we've completely lost a nut. It's not a bad view in your rear view mirror. Okay, so cruising down the highway. Apparently, fucking Didi and them, they're gonna take over lead. There's still about, oh, they're passing now. Hello! There goes those fucks.
In Saskatchewan. Oh, so excited. So much scenery. Alright, so sit rep. About 10 miles back, we hit a set of train tracks and the bitch just died. Lost fuel pump just died. We blew both fuses again and we couldn't get it to keep fuses in it. Went through a ton of wiring, decided to just unbolt some stuff in the console, and all of a sudden everything started working.
Dude, it's fucking mint now.
And it's driven for 10 miles. We might just limp it to Kindersley, or limp it, we're in Kindersley, limp it to Saskatoon, pull the console and do some wiring.
Where a mechanic will look at you and say, you know, it's intermittent.
Remember?
I can't figure it out. So just drive it till it's completely fucked and then we'll know.
Remember when I said we should clean up the wiring?
No.
We'd have found that.
Fuck cleaning it up.
I tell you what, at least we're on the road, but I do have Steven ready to put a fuse in at any second. Because you never know. I don't know why people complain about Saskatchewan hair sales. Oh wait.
There's no hills.
10,000 miles of flat fucking land.
Alright. Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah, fuck yeah.
Doc Johnson.
Oh yeah. Oh Billy.
Is that Didi Speed Shop?
That's a fucking DD Speed Shop.
Didi fucking Speed Shop.
Let's get a good drive-by. Did you give him the old Doc Johnson?
Oh, I gave him drive-by. I'll give you that much. Fuck, this thing sounds nice.
You're going down a hill and you hold your foot with just the slightest amount of throttle, you get pop, 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 all the way down the fucking hill.
I think that's what you guys were doing when you found us. Because that thing came popping.
Oh, I hit the two-step.
Oh, yeah?
Don't you know, is it hooked up still? Yeah, it's still hooked up. Here we go.
Oh, fuck yeah. I'll tell you one thing. We got the Doc Johnson hooked up.
Engage the dog.
I probably shouldn't fuck around too hard. We're gonna pull over and fucking waving rubber fist out of the window.
How do you explain that one to the police officers?
Sorry, officer, I was a little bit drunk and I was waving my rubber fist at you.
How do you explain waving your rubber fist?
Man, drunk tank's a good time. There's a lot of cool people in there.
True. Personally, I've tried to avoid it all these years, but
Yeah, well, walk, teach your own. See, why does he got 2 brake lights now? He's got one there, he's got a signal light. That fucking brake light wasn't working when we stopped at Kindersley.
that's okay. This light on my fender over here wasn't working the whole time until we did 100 mile an hour, and then it came on, and that one's been flashing the whole time, and it's staying on now. 100 mile an hour saves the day.
It thinks about it.
That'll smarten it up.
So this is Saskatchewan. There's a couple lights over here. There's a couple lights over there. That's pretty much it.
Welcome to Saskatchewan.
Look at this.
Doc Johnson loves it.
Doc Johnson
Like
loves it.
Saskatoon? Fuck you.
Doc Johnson
Doctor recommends it.
loves everything. Oh yeah. Doctor prescribed some Saskatchewan this week. Yes! Yes! Full power now car. Doc Johnson. Doc Johnson! Fuck no. I don't want to wipe your numbers
Oh, here,
off.
this is nice.
Oh yeah. Let freedom ring. Let the white dove sing. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man.
They say grab a gear and disappear. I grab two.
I like the way you work. Let's give him the fucking Doc Johnson. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Lay on the 2-step, faggot.
I just did.
You want like lay on.
Fuck these lights. Let's go.
I was waiting for him to catch the fucking curb. Where the fuck's he going?
He's taking the fucking.
Where are you guys going?
We're gonna fly ahead of you and whip in.
Oh yeah. Full bar, no car, motherfuckers!
I'm just gonna let him in. I don't need to just totally destroy the toolbox.
He's got a Cummins.
Yeah, he's got a
It's full bar no matter what.
I said pants off. There's a guy. Woo!
Oh yeah, he's bugging it. Oh fuck yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh. So this is what happens when you hang out with drunks and degenerates. They all went to bed, so we put the hood on their car, put one of the 2 windows up. Gord got a little too manly with the rope on the second one. There's random beer cans and food containers left everywhere. And I think I'm gonna set my cot up on top of Peg's trailer tonight, because why the fuck not?
We got no flash on this fucking thing, but like, here we are, middle of the night. It's like, I don't know, 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, some shit like that. We're at the Sandman Signature Hotel over here in Saskatoon, and we're gonna do some racing tomorrow. And hey, here's the old Pizza Planet truck. You can't see it because it's dark as hell, but I can, and I'm telling you what it is, so you gotta believe me. So this is it. So we're ready to go. We're raring up for tomorrow.
So it turns out I don't think the top of Peg's trailer is safe enough with the rain for me to sleep on my cot. So I might just sleep without the cot, but I'm sleeping up here tonight. So.
Okay, apparently I'm filming y'all. We can't see shit, but here's a black spot.
Peg told me I wouldn't sleep on top of his trailer, but told me I could if I was man enough. So I found a way up. Got my cot up here, but we had a fresh rain and I don't know how safe this is. Plus, there's a lot of flex in these roof panels.
So basically
who
he's
needs a
being...
cot? I'm gonna sleep up here. Beer me, Steven.
Oh, nice, that works. I'll just hand it to you, because if I throw it to you, it'll be shooken up and just not fun.
Thank you, sir. Alright, we will see you on day 2 at SIR. I might see you in the morning. I'm not guaranteeing anything. I've had a few beers this morning.
A few beer.
Well, not all of us can be drunk natives, Steven.
It's a fun life. I cannot complain.
Actually, hand me that sleeping bag. I'm going to use it as a pillow.
And alley-oop.
Thanks, bro.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go pass out in junkyard because it's raining a bit, and fuck it.
Bolt trailer before you go to bed.
Yeah, I guess. Okay. Goodbye, y'all.